All right, guys, so here's a quick battery update on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, I talked about how much better this battery was than the Galaxy Note 10. And, you know, this has been my experience. So the battery is actually getting ready to die. I've actually been doing other things, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to shoot this video real quick to show them real time the battery life that I'm actually getting. So we're going to go into settings. I have 11% left, by the way. We go into settings, and we're going to go into device, we'll show you the battery here. So it says I have 100, oh Lord, an hour and 45 minutes left. And you can see the things that I've been doing here, social media and everything. Let's go into battery usage here. So as you can see here, it's been 22 hours since I charged it. And of that 22 hours, I've gotten 7 hours and 24 minutes. And I just dropped to 10%. And now it says that I have an hour and 45 minutes left. So, you know, I really probably don't have an hour and 45 minutes left unless I put this in ultra power saving mode. But some people, shout out to Grant S. He talked about still not being able to hit that 7-8 hour mark. But this is pretty consistent for me. I took some screenshots of battery life. And so earlier I took it was at 17%, I was at 7 hours and 5 minutes. And as you can see now at 10%, I'm at 7 hours and 24 minutes. This was the other day. I had 5 hours left, 10 hours on. I was at 32% on this screenshot, and I had 6 hours already. So on this one here, I had 11 hours left, and I had 4 hours with 63% left. So the battery is definitely really good on this device, but it also depends on the user. You got to remember, battery life depends on the person using the phone. So don't base too much of this, you know, saying, oh my gosh, I'm not getting that. We're all using our devices differently. So you got to remember that. But all in all, I'm really getting 7 pretty much on every charge minimum. But I also don't let my phones run all the way down to 10%. Like I said, I've just been on the move. And so, I hadn't even thought about charging it. So, yeah, this is where I'm at, man. I think the Galaxy Note 10 Plus battery is absolutely fantastic compared to the Galaxy Note 10 that I was using. You know, even the other Galaxy Note 10 Plus that my wife is using, she's not complaining. She switched from her iPhone back to Samsung. She's always carried a Galaxy Note, but one of her Galaxy Notes got stolen, so she just gave up on it and switched to iPhone back in the day. And now she's back on the Galaxy Note, and she has a Galaxy Note 10. My first black one that I bought, yeah, she jacked me for that one, so I had to buy another one. So yeah. She's loving the black Galaxy Note 10, 512 gigs. Man, I wish I can get 512 in this one, in the white. Doesn't matter. But look at how beautiful that is, folks. Come on, don't sleep on this. This is the ultimate case. If you don't have the Rinky Fusion camo case, step your game up. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is official with battery life for me. For a device that's pushing this type of power, it's doing fantastic. And I don't anticipate having, and here's another thing. I've been recording and editing on the device, and, you know, I'm doing a My Project 13, you know what I'm saying? So this has been a fantastic experience, man. I edited like 10 videos on the phone. And at that point, sometimes I'm down to like, from 100 editing. I recorded 10 videos one time and I lost 25% with editing and everything. So I was at 100 and I got down to 75% after 10 videos of recording and editing right on the phone. So that gives you some sense of how powerful this battery could be if you're a content creator. But yeah, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Battery life on this thing is killer. What kind of battery life are you getting in your Galaxy Note 10 Plus or your Galaxy Note 10? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.